Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to make a spring. I will create new design and you can click and sketch editing. For the first sketch you can click here sketch mode and I will use the Z direction for plan. Go to plan view. In here you can create for the construction line. I will create from this point to the top here. The construction line is for the center of the spring. And then you can create circle like at this point. After it, you can click and sketch editing. And to convert into spring, you can use the pull tools. Select the circle object. And then we can use this option, revolve. Now you can set for the center revolving. I will select at this construction line. And don't forget to check for the revolve helix. So we'll be show the options for the height and the pitch and the taper angle. Okay, as the default to be set into 5 mm and you can click hold to create spring like this. Or you can undo and we can change for the pitch, like I will set into 3. You can extrude against the object by click hold to create spring. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to make a spring. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.